Welcome back to Wright's Book. We are going to today talk about the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Is not just a car, it's an experience, a masterclass in engineering that combines blistering speed, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping design. As the halo model in the Corvette lineup, the ZR1 represents the pinnacle of performance and luxury, giving driving enthusiasts an unprecedented level of thrill and refinement. Whether you're tearing down a racetrack or cruising on the open road, the 2025 ZR1 offers an electrifying ride that matches its legendary name. At the heart of the 2025 Corvette ZR1 lies a monstrous 5.5-liter supercharged V8 engine, producing an astonishing 850 horsepower and 850 pounds-feet of torque. This engine, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, catapults the ZR1 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds. The car's advanced suspension system and dynamic handling package ensure razor-sharp precision in every corner, while the rear-wheel drive configuration and light-weight carbon fiber components deliver unrivaled stability and agility. Whether you're hitting 200 miles per hour on a straightaway or pushing through tight corners on a winding road, the 2025 ZR1 offers blistering performance that lives up to its track-ready pedigree. The exterior of the 2025 Corvette ZR1 is an aggressive work of art, blending aerodynamic efficiency with bold, muscular lines. The front end is defined by a wide, menacing grille and functional air intakes that feed air into the powerful engine. A sculpted hood and rear spoiler enhance downforce, giving the car a race-ready appearance and performance to match. The ZR1 signature LED headlights and tail lamps shine bright, adding to its futuristic appeal. Carbon fiber accents are used throughout the body, reducing weight while giving the car a high-tech, ultra-premium look. Whether stationary or in motion, the ZR1 demands attention, with its low stance and fierce, purposeful design making it impossible to ignore. Inside, the 2025 Corvette ZR1 offers a driver-focused cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury and performance. The seats, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, provide superb support during high-speed cornering, while the dashboard features a blend of digital and analog elements, ensuring the driver remains connected to the road. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster offers customizable information, allowing you to keep track of everything from tire pressure to lap times. Carbon fiber accents and available racing-inspired details give the interior an unmistakably high-performance aura. For those who demand the best, the cabin offers advanced tech, including a top-tier infotainment system with wireless connectivity, a premium sound system, and intuitive controls designed for quick access while maintaining focus on the road. While performance is the ZR1's forte, it doesn't completely neglect efficiency. Thanks to advanced engine management technology and the use of lightweight materials, the 2025 ZR1 offers surprisingly respectable fuel economy for a car of its caliber. Expect around 16 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway, numbers that help balance the thrill of the drive with the practicality of real-world use. Whether you're burning rubber on the racetrack or enjoying a weekend road trip, the ZR1 offers a surprisingly efficient performance for those seeking both power and endurance. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is the ultimate expression of American performance. With its heart-pounding horsepower, stunning design, and world-class handling, it stands as a symbol of Chevrolet's commitment to excellence. For driving enthusiasts who demand the very best, the ZR1 is not just a car, it's a statement, one that says performance and passion are always in the style. With the 2025 ZR1, Chevrolet has once again proven that the Corvette is more than just an icon, it's a legacy in motion. Goodbye, we have a nice day.